All right, today, guys, we're going to be doing a quick setup of AutoCAD. A lot of times when you log in for the first time, you're going to have a problem with not having your toolbars and all the good stuff that we need for the lessons moving forward. First thing we need to do is go on the very top up here, and we're going to click on this little arrow here. And what we want to have here is you want to have show menu bar. So once we click that show menu bar, what's going to happen then is all of our file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, draw, dimensions, and all that good stuff is going to come on top here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to go over to tools, toolbars, AutoCAD, and these are going to be the main ones that we are going to have on here. We're going to have our, we don't really don't have to have array. We're going to turn that one off for now. Our toolbars, AutoCAD. So we're looking at for dimension, draw, layers, modify, and properties are going to be the main ones that we're going to want on for our needs. So once we got those, what's going to happen is these little windows are going to pop up here like on the side and this. You can take these and kind of put them where you like. I kind of like them in the format that I have them right here. So I'm going to move that one down. I'm actually going to switch this one with that one. And this is this kind of way I like to have it set up. And I definitely like to have this over here. Um, then we also have our different icons on the top here. And we also change these views right here if you want to. But this is how we go about getting the standard setup for our drawings. Then we can just come over here and we can come in here and do all the good stuff that we need to do for our drawings. All right, folks. Thank you.